Did you know that a simple herb like peppermint can drastically improve your health and well-being? Yes, it's true. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 surprising benefits of peppermint that you need to know for a healthier tomorrow. Stay with me until the end to uncover how this refreshing herb can transform your life. First, let's talk about digestion. Peppermint has been used for centuries to aid digestion and relieve symptoms like bloating and gas. Its natural oils help relax the digestive system muscles, allowing for smoother digestion and less discomfort. Imagine enjoying your meals without the worry of digestive issues, all thanks to peppermint. Besides improving digestion, peppermint can also boost your respiratory health. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, helping to clear your airways and making it easier to breathe. Whether you're dealing with a cold or just want to breathe easier, peppermint can be a game changer. Imagine feeling refreshed and breathing freely every day. If you want to improve your health with the power of peppermint, start incorporating it into your daily routine today. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and leave a comment below on how you plan to use peppermint. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier, more vibrant life together.